Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make green bean soup step by step. First, gather your ingredients: 1 pound of fresh green beans, 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, and 1 medium onion. Next, prepare your vegetables by finely chopping the onion and trimming the ends from the green beans. Also, mince 2 cloves of garlic and measure out 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This initial preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's build the flavor base for our delicious soup. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your finely chopped onion. Sauté the onion for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until it becomes translucent and soft. Then, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until fragrant, being careful not to burn it. With our aromatics ready, it's time to add the star ingredient. Toss the 1 pound of trimmed green beans into the pot with the onions and garlic. Next, pour in the 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the green beans are tender. Almost there. Now, taste your green bean soup and season it with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For a creamier consistency, you can carefully blend about 1/3 of the soup using an immersion blender, then stir it back in. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade, comforting green bean soup. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.